Hello everyone, and welcome to the Wealth Trading Education Review. Today I'm going to go through some of the major markets we trade most frequently, and in this video I'm going to point out some levels at which we can expect some good trade setups next week. So let's take a look at that trend line. And my point of view on this is to wait for the price to reach 1.355 or somewhere around here, and after that we can either trade on a bounce or on a break up. So if we see some kind of setup for the break, we go long. If we see that the market has no strength to go up, then we can play for bounce, and if it breaks the trend line, we can actually expect it to break this very strong support area, which will give us even more selling pressure, and we will go even further down. So looking at this daily chart of Australian dollar, we can see a very clear reversal, and we can see that the price found support on this level 0.92, which used to be the resistance level and support level earlier. On the forward chart we can see a trend line, and there can be two scenarios here. After the test of this level, we can either expect the break of the downtrend line, and the price will go up, and we don't care if it creates head and shoulders pattern, which we don't trade, or it continues. We don't care about that. The only thing we actually can trade is to bounce from this trend line, and the price might create some break pattern, which we can and will trade if it happens. So what we have here is Japanese yen, and after very long consolidation we finally broke out of this flag formation, and it actually looks like the trend is going to continue, and if we trade this pair, we are definitely going to go long. And looking at 4-hour chart, we can see some news here, and the price goes up. The only thing we can expect here is to go and break off either of this one or this one or the last one. All of these highs, we can expect some break there. So the price has been trading like only 14 pips from this last level, so we can wait for some break setup and go long. The last market we are going to review is of course gold, our favorite market, what we trade most, what we teach most. So let's have a look at this. On the daily chart we can see another downtrend here for the last 2 weeks, and what's really interesting here is that this whole formation from the last 2 or 3 months kind of reminds us what happened here. It looks really familiar, and we can see this this support area right here, and we might expect to go short after the break of this level, especially seeing this trend line here, and considering the break of this. It's not actually a trend line, but we can call it some kind of support, and we had a break here and a small recovery. So on the long term we might expect to go short after the break of this level. However, looking at the 1-hour chart, we can actually see some bullish surge here, and on the short term, we can expect some bullish movement here. Yes, after the break of this resistance area, we can go long, and we have some space here about $42, and then go short on the trend line